Hey all, today we would like to have a look at a little knife from Chinese manufacturer Sanrenmu, and the name of this knife is WA731-A1. So they will give it to you in a little box, and there's another aluminium box inside, and with lots of writings in English and Chinese, and again the number of the knife, like model of the knife, and you can open it, see what's inside. Alright, and here's the knife. Not big, not small, just right. So let's see. So that's the knife, how it looks like. You will see G10 scales, nice pocket clip, and lots of different blades. Glass breaker on this side, and if you see, it'll force it inside here. You can try to take it out. Okay, here. Yeah, very similar to Swiss Army knife, but I would say it's a little more robust construction, and they use nicer materials and slightly heavier, I would say. Alright, let's open the first one. That's a blade with the Chinese writings on one side, and type of the steel, Sandvik 12C27, and model WA731-A1. How it looks like. Very nice sharpening, and it looks like it's hollow ground. I'll close this one and open the blade. You'll see the bottle opener and a flat screwdriver. I would say it's a belt cutter. It's very sharp. Little hook, lanyard hole. I'm going to close everything back and open another portion of it. Alright, that's a little, not little, it's very nice scissors. They're sharp, I tried them all. It worked perfectly fine. A little spring here. What else is here? On the other side, you'll see like a corkscrew and another tool. Let me open it. Oh, you can see this one. It's extremely sharp. G10 scales, as I said, made on screw construction, and you can see all the liners are stainless steel. That's it. Thank you so much, and talk to you later.